Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So in this video we will learn about the other alternative AI tools that are available for the developers. So we have learned completely about the chatgpt, Dolly and all those things, right? So I will try to show you a new another AI tool which is useful for most of the things like a front-end developers or any developers. It will be useful. So that is nothing but what I want to tell you is the GitHub Copilot. So what is this GitHub Copilot? If you try to open this one GitHub Copilot, here you will be able to see the home page. And now here the world's most widely adopted AI developer tool. So this is a developer tool, AI developer tool. And if you click on this one, get started with Copilot, and here you will be able to see the Copilot Business and Copilot Enterprise and Copilot Individual. Now this Copilot doesn't available at the time of this recording for free. So this is a completely paid one. Anyone who pays $10 something like that, they can use it without any problem. So that is one thing which I want to explain you. So what is this Copilot? Uses of this Copilot? This will make your organization or individual. Copilot helps you build better software faster. When you are trying to code the programming or anything, it will give you a suggestions in a way that you can develop the code very fastly. So how we need to do it? So here whenever you are first you need to log in with the GitHub credentials, then afterwards you need to go here, get Copilot Individual, and if you click on the start a free trial, so right now I am already in the Copilot. Now here you will be able to get all the details. Okay, so now this Copilot subscription, so right now it is available in major browsers, major IDEs like Visual Studio Code, JetBrains, Visual Studio, and also Vim like this. So these are available in the 4 editors right now. So after paying of this Copilot, now the Copilot will be available, will be made active in your GitHub. Now let's say that I am using the Visual Studio Code. So right now I am using Visual Studio Code for this video, and here after having this GitHub Copilot, you need to go to the extensions, and in these extensions you will be able to get Copilot. Okay. So you need to search for the Copilot in the extensions, and here you will be able to get this GitHub Copilot. Now you need to install this GitHub Copilot. Automatically you need to provide the GitHub login credentials that with which you have registered, and now GitHub Copilot, it will be active in your system. Now here you will be able to see a small icon here, nothing but, so here you will be able to see the status ready. Okay, and now if you want to check about this all the details, so here so now let's go on to the code. So I have opened a simple random code. Now here let's say that anything if you try to open, and here you will be able to see the Copilot. These are all the details which you will be able to see. Open completions panel, I will try to tell you. So these are all the Copilot commands. So if you want to know about this all the things, you can check this one all. So now how this Copilot will be very useful for us. For example, let's say that I will be in the cities list. So this is our component, right? So now what I want to do, here we have the cities. Now if I try to remove this code, okay, now this is the code we are having. Now if I try to see this code, see here automatically a grayish color, you will be able to see that it has been appearing, and at the top you will be able to see whether to accept this one or accept a single part. So like this, see, accept word. So you can accept word by word also, you can accept it like this, or otherwise if you want to accept completely means you can click on this accept, or otherwise you can just click on the tab. So now if I do the tab thing, automatically the code will come like this. So this is how the automatically it will read, the Copilot will read your code and give you the suggestions based on your coding. Now for example, let's say that here city item is there, right? Let's go to the city item. Okay, here this is our city item, and here we are having this all the data and all those things, right? Let's say that I want to show something like cities or anything. Okay, so I want to show some cities. So here I want to show here the first city name, and here I can write something like I want to show the first city name. First we need to have the cities list, right? So here I can write constant. Okay, it is already giving you this all the things. See, cities list is equal to, and you can have the array like Delhi, and here New York. Like this we can able to have. So now let's say that we are having 2 cities. Now I want to show the first city name here. I want to show the first city. So here this is the first city. Now if you want to show it, so here what I can do is constant first city. So if I try to write this here first city, automatically the suggestion it is able to take it. So now when you are writing the first city means, so now Copilot will able to recognize that okay, he is trying to take the first city from the cities list. Automatically the code has written for us. Now here I can show the first city here automatically. So you can write it here like this. So this is how, or otherwise, so here also you can write the first city. So it is not telling right now, that depends. Okay, so this is how you will be able to get this all the details. Now for example, let's say that first city is there, right? Now when you are trying to write the first city, so you are getting these all the suggestions. Now if you want to get these all the suggestions means, so you can go and you can so you can go here. If you want to know all the different types of suggestions and all those things means, so you can go here to the control comma or control P, and here I will be going to the Copilot, and here you will be able to see the open completions panel. And now in this one it will give you all the different types of suggestions. So here this is the first suggestion, and here this is the second suggestion, and it is adding the first city and the second city, and here it is taking only the first city. Okay, and here it is trying to do the first city and second city, and it is consoling everything. And accept solution, this one is taking like this, and cities list set for second city, first city, it is trying to store it and like this. So it is giving you the wide variety of the accepted solutions. So whichever you want to have, so you can click on this accept solution, automatically the code will come here. So this is one way which you can try to check it. So this is one way which I want to explain you. So like this you can have these all the accepted cities, accepted completions which we can get it. Now the last one which I want to tell you about this in the GitHub Copilot is, so I will remove this one. Let's say that I want to create a footer. So here in the components I am creating a footer. I am creating a new file, footer.jsx. Okay. So now here I want to have a footer.jsx, right? So it is now if you want to write the code, so entire code you need to write it. So it will try to tell you something like export default function footer. Now it is trying to tell you like this. So here now it is not telling you any details, it is not giving you any suggestions. So for this one, see, it is giving you some big code and it has stopped from the ahref. In the middle only it has been stopped. So big instead of this one, what you can do is you can write a comment. So need exported footer component and have name Leela webdev with the current year and copyright symbol. So this is the thing which I want to have. Now if I try to press enter, so using bootstrap to style and all those things, it is asking me some other suggestions also, it is telling me some other suggestions also, but you are not getting anything, right? When you write here export default function, and if you write it like this, and here you will be able to see the complete right. So whatever the comment you have written, and that using that comment it has generated the component for you. So here class name styles.footer, it has used it, and Leela webdev and copy, and it has taken the current year and the copyright symbol also it has been added. So like this you can have your prompt in the as a comment, and you can get able to get your generated code. So this is the basic introduction of this GitHub Copilot, so which you may be able to understand it. Hope you understood about the concept and all those things. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.